Hey everybody, another treat for you here. We've got an early Reliant with girder forks on front. I mean, my grandfather actually had one of these. It's got, looks like it's a side valve. In fact, I'm pretty sure. And there were, five of them in family, and they all used to pile in this apparently. I mean, this is done out as a painter's van. But something really unusual. I thought you might want to look at it. I ain't really done. I mean, I've spoke to a lot of youngsters that you've seen with Eastern European stuff, a few other bits of modern retro stuff, but good number plate, I suppose. Depends which way you look at it. And well, it's absolutely lovely example. Done a really good job of it. Apparently the chap who owns this vehicle, his dad had the same vehicle, so he's done it out as his dad's well. In fact, the handbrake, like an early Anglia, popular handbrake. Try and get your best view as I can with the light I've got. You have something a bit different for you. So, give us a like if you like video. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more stuff of this classic stuff. And pass a comment if you want to comment on it or want to know about it. Thank you very much. Bye for now.